Hi, this is my first video on my channel. It's a Batman double blade pocket knife in red. I just got it today. It just took it out of his box, as you can see. Yeah, smaller than I expected. I got it from Amazon, and it cost me $5.97 and another like $5 for shipping. But it looks pretty worth it. Yep. It's made from China. It's a nice thing where you gotta hold it right there. Hold on. As you can see, like that. Or inside your pocket while that sticks out, you know, or just like this, probably. Yeah, but don't feel like putting that on right now. Okay. There's like a Batman review. Alright. Now let's test this over here. Alright. Ready? Whoops, hold on. Ready? Oh, I'm so scared. Whoops, there it is. There it is. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty sharp. Nice. Alrighty then. Let's do the other one. Alrighty then. Why isn't it coming out? Hold on. Right, there it is. Just gotta put a little more force in it. Yeah, so hope you enjoy. This is a Batman review of the battering pocket knife, double blade, red. Yeah, so hope you enjoy.